Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 90 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I will be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Once your content is visible, all you would need to do is hold your power button and volume down. So these two buttons, or alternatively, I think we can do a 3-finger swipe down. Yep. We can, whatever, agree. Cool. Can you just capture it now? I guess we can't do it for some stupid reason. So anyway, I'm gonna stick with the shortcut, I guess. So power button, volume down. You have the pop-up right here, and after a moment it disappears. Once it disappears, you can find it in your Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. And it will be visible in the Photos tab at the very top if you have just captured it. But later on, if you're trying to find that photo, or screenshot more precisely, in here, down the line where you have additional photos and other stuff that will appear here, it might be easier to go into the albums and then screenshots, and in here you'll find strictly screenshots and screen recordings, so it will be simpler to find it in here. As you can see, there's a screenshot that I have captured. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.